Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have another adorable fruit for thought, so let's get into it. Check it out. Fruit for Thought is a really cute lifestyle box and it comes out monthly, and each month the box is themed with a different fruit or vegetable theme, and it has products in it that have like that scent, that color, that flavor. They might actually have like, if it's apples, you might get apple jelly. It has bath and body, artisan items, food products, just so many fun things. Let's get into it. For some reason, the sides of this will not come out, so I'm just ripping the box. I had it upside down. I feel like I'm having a very Alexandria Ryan moment. I just ripped the front of the box off because I had it upside down. So she has her own paper in here. It is the cutest tissue paper. This box is sent to me free for review. This was the June box. I did already get the July box, but I decided to go ahead and show them separately because it still gives you a really good idea of what's in the box. This is gonna be hard now that I've torn the box apart, but that is what it looks like when you open it up. This is the paperwork, and June was Melons as I recall. I haven't put my glasses on yet, but I think it said Melons. All right, let's dig in here and see what I've got now that I've started ripping it apart. So yes, this is mixed melons, and the July theme, which I will open in a couple days, is key lime, and the back gives us a little information on each of these products. I can't believe I had it upside down. I mean, I was ripping earnestly at that thing. Oh, look how cute this is. It is just too cute. It's by the Norlii shop. Oh, a little shred in there. And it's a headband with melons all over it. So cute. Actually, there's strawberries too. Let's see what the paperwork says. The twisted summery watermelon print headband is from Norlii Shop, a small Wisconsin woman-owned business. This headband is made from double-brushed poly knit fabric. It is extremely soft. It is extremely soft and lightweight, making it perfect for all-day wear. And it is so soft. Your softest worn t-shirt. It feels lovely. So that's our first product. And this is the brand that is from. All right, reaching in next, we have Natural Traditions Honeydew Jerky. We almost always get a food product. This is no added sweeteners, soft, sweet, and ready to eat, no sulfites added, made from 100% natural fruit. And this entire bag is only 120 calories. So that's a really fun summer treat on the run. Oh boy, watermelon airheads. My girls will love these. Love, love. This is one of their favorite little snack treats. So that's fun. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, it's melamine, and it's a Supreme Housewares spoon rest. How cute is that? It's really heavy. It's not like lightweight, like you're thinking lightweight plastic. It's got a really heavy melamine heft to it. Use your watermelon melamine spoon rest from Supreme Housewares to protect your kitchen counters from spills. It's shatterproof and would be a fun addition to a summer party to use for your serving spoon. That would be a really great, like if you didn't necessarily want it sitting on your stove because you keep one of those really neat kitchens, this would be so cute. Like if you put out watermelon but had a spoon for it to set it, it's so cute. It is dishwasher safe and looks and feels like ceramic, but is lighter and more durable. I agree 100%. That's why I was saying it had some real heft to it, and it's so cute. Next out, I have a 1 in a Melon Southern Fleek Bath. I'm gonna guess it's some kind of bath bomb. What's it say? Southern Fleek Bubble Scoop. It smells like watermelon. That I can tell. Oh, and it looks, okay, I have to take this out of here. It looks like a teeny tiny ice cream scoop. So cute. I love her themes. She just does the absolute best themes. It looks like a little ice cream scoop. How stinking adorable is that? And the paperwork says, relax in a tub of overflowing, massive, long-lasting bubbles with Southern Fleek Bath at Ipsy Juicy Watermelon Scented Bubble Scoop. The scent combines ripe, juicy watermelon and the sweet, tart scent of watermelon Jolly Rancher. It does. It smells delicious, like you kind of want to eat it, but that would be so summery refreshing in a bath. And last but not least, I have a Southern Fleek Bath. So the same people, sugar scrub, but look, it looks like one of the unicorn things that's all whipped up and then piped in. I love the look here. Let me show you. We can get a better look at that. I love the look of those piped products. It looks like dessert. Don't you just want to eat that? How fun is that? Oh, it smells so, oh, sweet. Oh, it smells like melon, but it smells sweet. Loving that. Feel amazing with this double melon, cantaloupe and honeydew, which is why it's orange and then green. Sugar scrub. It lathers and exfoliates, leaving your skin soft and silky. Also by Southern Fleek Bath at Etsy. The cantaloupe fragrance is a tropical medley of cantaloupe and coral berry, surrounded with cane sugar and vanilla orchid. That's probably what the sweetness is. The honeydew fragrance smells just like a fresh cut honeydew with a green yet fruity scent with hints of peaches, apples, and strawberries. It smells good enough to eat, but don't. It says that. They know I can't be trusted. I can't even tell you guys how good this smells, and everything about that just makes me happy. I love how aesthetically pleasing that is. And just for the record, you didn't have to do what I just did, apparently. Once you take the plastic part off that's on the inside, you can just pop the lid in the shower. How much more convenient is that than having to... In this box for our treat, we got 2 watermelon airheads. The fun honeydew jerky, how cute is that? The melamine, yeah, I'm gonna be able to pull this off. The melamine spoon rest, this really amazing, just amazingly scented bubble bath. The headband, which again, I cannot express to you how soft this is. My fingers. And the double melon sugar scrub. That's what was in this box. I will put all of the information with the box down below with my code. If it's something you think you're interested in, please go over and check them out. It's a really, really cute themed box. And what did I say I'm gonna open for July? Key lime. I love key lime pie. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll see when I have more videos coming out. And I'll see you soon. Take care, guys.